Welcome back to Quiz Wizard. Today, we're diving into a super sweet and fun challenge. Would you rather real food versus candy addition? All right, let's jump in. Would you rather choose a real burger or a gummy burger? Would you rather choose watermelon or sour watermelon candy? It's a tough one. Pizza or pizza candy? Would you rather choose a real banana? Jelly banana? Would you rather eat spaghetti or spaghetti candy? Would you rather choose fish or Swedish fish candy? Would you rather choose apple or apple rings? Which orange would you go for? Real orange or candy? Would you rather choose strawberry or Twizzlers? Coca-Cola or Coke bottles, candy? Blueberries or blueberry cotton candy? Would you rather eat gummy worms or real worms? Ooh, that's horrifying. Eggs or chocolate eggs? Would you rather choose kiwi or Haichu kiwi candy? Would you rather choose beans or jelly beans? Pineapple or pineapple candy? Would you rather choose peach or sour peach rings? Would you rather choose sushi or sushi candy? Would you rather choose fried eggs or egg gummies? Would you rather choose grapes or grape heads? Real coconut or Mounds Bar? mac and cheese or macaroni gummies? Would you rather choose donuts or gummy donuts? Would you rather choose ice cream or ice cream gummies? French fries or gummy fries? Would you rather choose pudding or pudding gummies? Would you rather choose cheese or cheese candy? Carrot or carrot gummies? Would you rather choose cherry or cherry airheads? Tamale or hot tamale candy?